How to join FPL League with code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the FPL application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the fantasy option from the bottom toolbar and now in the interface that you will be led to, make sure you have selected the Fantasy tab and further scroll down and you will see the Leagues and Cups tab. So go ahead and tap on the Join Leagues option you see there under Leagues and Cups tab and further select if you want to join a private league or a public league and then go ahead and enter the respective code in the code field provided there and further tap on the Join a League button, and with this the code that you entered is correct, then you will be joined successfully. So this is how you can join FPL League with code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.